Well, my friends, today we are making taco lasagna, and this would be step one, and that is taking your taco seasoning and mixing it with your ricotta. This you want to keep your ricotta at room temperature, mix the two together, and it gives you one heck of a pop. So let's go ahead and get this mixed in. Go ahead and open up your ricotta. Made a mess, but that's all right. Okay, now you want to mix this two together. Okay, now I'm going to mix these two together. And after we got this all mixed up, we'll come right back to you. Well, we're back. So now we've let our ricotta sit for several hours, letting it get good and fermented and getting good strong taco flavor into that taco, right into the ricotta. So what we're going to do now is we're going to preheat the oven, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to cook our burger. And so let's get going with that. Okay, now that our burger's good and browned up, what we want to do is we want to strain it out. Get all that grease out. Just a friendly reminder, you probably don't want to dump this grease down your drain. It probably wouldn't help your drain very well. So let me get this strained out and I'll come right back to you. All that. Now we're going to take and we're going to put this back over here, back on the burner. Try to get as much grease out as you can. Put your burger back in. Okay. I'm going to get the seasoning and I'll be right back to you. Okay. So what you want to do is go ahead and put your dry in first. Maybe. Your dry in. Dry in. We want to mix this really good. Getting the seasoning all throughout the burger. If we had smell-o-vision, you could smell it. Now I'm going to mix this in a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, that's all mixed in really good. And now you want to open up can of tomato sauce. Getting that all blended in. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the taco seasoning. We're going to mix this around and we'll be right back. Okay, now you want to take your burger and you want to take and put a layer in your pan. More. Okay, I think we're all set there. And now I want to lay my noodles. These are our non-cooked noodles. And like so. Just like that. Place them down in like so. Okay. And I'll be right back. I was wrong. I had to add a fourth noodle in there. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our cheese. After I get done spreading this out, we'll be right back. Now we're going to put a layer of mozzarella on there. My hands are washed. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so we got all our ricotta on there now. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to dump the rest of our meat sauce right over the top. And I'll come right back to you when I got this all spread out. So now we want to add a good layer of mozzarella. worked in. I'll be right back. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put this on the cookie sheet. We're going to put it into the oven. That's been on preheat for quite a while now. And we're going to boost the oven up to 425, and we'll be right back. Okay, we've been in the oven for an hour now, and we're taking her out. We've let it rest for about 15-20 minutes, and now we're going to cut into it and see what she looks like. Well, the cut didn't come out as good as I would like, but that's what it looks like. Let's give it a try. Very good. You guys want to try some taco lasagna sometime? Give it a try. You can add whatever you want to it. Peppers, your onions, mushrooms, pepperoni. Just like making a pizza. Take it easy, guys, and I'll see you next time.